The Law and You are talking about a viewer who has concerns about the legalities of the upcoming winter. Joining us now to talk about it, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath, who is here for Ed. Gentlemen, thanks for being here tonight.
Thank you for having us.
Well, we know the winter is going to get here sooner than later, and Kathy and Music wants to know, I am very nervous about the upcoming winter. I live in an apartment building where the landlord does all the snow and ice removal. He doesn't live in the building. Last winter, he almost never showed up to remove the snow and ice. Harry, what can Kathy do here?
Well, Kathy, it's important that you begin to document your requests to the landlord in writing. Text message, email, an old-fashioned letter, any of that will work, because in the event something does happen, you're going to have to prove that you placed the landlord on notice of his failure to remove the ice in order to protect yourself if there is an accident.
And to the landlords out there, a couple things. One, if you assume the obligation and duty to take care of the snow removal, you got to do it. You can contractually put it away, sign it off to your tenants, but most landlords assume that responsibility, and if you do it, you got to do it right. You can't just show up and do it when you want, because if you basically have 24 hours to clear up the snow and ice, and if you don't, someone falls, that's when your landlords can have a problem. So we always tell them, it's very well worth taking the time, clear your lots, salt them, do what you need to do, and it, should help prevent a lot of unnecessary accidents from occurring.
And I'm sure as the winter weather settles in, we're going to hear more and more about issues like this. Yep. So our viewers that need to get a hold of you, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Twitter and Facebook as well.
All right, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Guys, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.